How to screen record with voice on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. The Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. You'll see a group of icons over here. If you want to screen record, then tap on the screen recording button. And then, tap on the microphone icon below to turn it on. Your screen is now being recorded with voice. Everything on your screen, including the notifications, will also be recorded. It allows you to capture everything happening on your screen as a video, which is then saved to your Photos app for easy sharing or later viewing. Tap on the screen recording button again to stop the recording. Following these steps, you can easily screen record with voice on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.